Cast on-site precast scissor stair formwork, demonstration narration. Opening. This video demonstrates a cast on-site precast scissor stair formwork process, focusing on the stair formwork, the stair itself, and the sequence of stripping, installation, and reassembly. Floor structure and landings. The scissor stairs span between floor levels. The landings are formed as part of the floor slabs and are not separate components. Typical installation sequence. In normal site practice, the precast stairs are installed and connected to the floor formwork prior to placing the floor concrete. This allows workers to safely access upper floors before the floor slabs are poured. Stripping the stair formwork. The stair formwork is stripped in a controlled sequence, without disturbing the surrounding floor formwork or structural elements. Cast on-site precast stairs. The stairs shown are cast on-site using reusable stair formwork, producing precast concrete stair units. Once stripped, the stairs can be staged on-site and lifted into position when required. Production and staging. Using this approach, stairs can be poured on a repeat cycle, such as every 2 days, allowing multiple stair units to be produced and ready ahead of installation. Reinforcing connections. The reinforcing connection between the stairs and the floor slab is typically reviewed and approved by the site engineer. Specific reinforcing details are not shown in this demonstration to keep the focus on the stair formwork and installation sequence. Adjustable rise and run. A key feature of the stair formwork is the ability to adjust the rise and run within the same form, allowing the stair geometry to accommodate changes in floor-to-floor height without rebuilding the formwork. Installing the scissor stairs. Each stair is aligned and seated accurately between floor levels, integrating with the floor formwork prior to concrete placement. Repeat and wraparound capability. The same formwork can be reused to produce repeated stair flights, including scissor stair configurations and wraparound layouts with mid-landings, up to 4 feet wide. Reassembling the form. After installation, the stair formwork is reassembled and prepared for the next pour, following the same efficient stripping and assembly sequence. Closing. The result is a practical cast on-site precast stair system that supports early floor access, repeated pours, and adjustable geometry, while keeping the focus on efficient stair formwork and construction sequencing.